How to sign up for a new account on WordPress. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily create a new account on WordPress. So let's just jump right in. Open up your web browser first and then go to the search bar, simply search for WordPress, hit enter, and then click on the first link that you see. This is the official website for WordPress. And at the top right, you'll have two options, login and get started. So if you already have an account, you can go ahead and continue with login. Enter your login credentials and you should be able to log into your account. But if you're starting, just click on get started to create a new account. Wait for a bit. And here you'll have multiple options like continuing with your Google, Apple, or even GitHub, or you could just continue with your email. So I'm just going to quickly enter my email address here. Once you've entered your email address, just tap on continue and it will start creating your account. Now, once you've entered your email address here, it will ask you to verify your account. So go to your email, just enter the code, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.